Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Pen Making Kit is probably one of the most rewarding and enjoyable creative hobbies you can pick up, allowing you to craft unique and personalized writing instruments. In this video, we will explore what makes a pen making kit worthwhile, the essential tools and materials you'll need, and some tips and tricks to help you create beautiful, functional pens that you'll be proud to use and share. Number 5. Tinlade Bead Pens Kit. It's time to personalize your writing experience. This kit gives you everything you need to create unique, eye-catching pens. You'll receive 12 pens, colorful beads, tassels, and clasps, all the components for crafting your own personalized pens. They're made with durable plastic and metal, ensuring they're lightweight yet sturdy for long-lasting use. With assorted beads in various shapes and colors, your imagination is the only limit. Let your creativity shine. These charming pens are ideal for everyday use, special events, or as thoughtful gifts. They add a festive touch to any celebration. Use them at school, the office, or at home. They're perfect for journaling, note-taking, or adding a personal touch to any writing task. What we like. It has many cute and colorful beads and tassels. If you are looking for a fun and affordable way to personalize your pens, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids, students, or anyone who enjoys crafting and expressing their creativity. What people say. Great quality, pretty colors, work great, easy to use, nice size. Easy to use and made great gifts. These really glow in the dark and are fun to put together. Number 4. Beadable Pens DIY Kit. This kit includes 16 unique bead pens, perfect for adding a personal touch to your writing. They come in a variety of colors and styles, ready for your creative flair. With assorted beads included, you have everything you need to customize your pens. Express yourself with a rainbow of colors and designs. Each pen measures approximately 5.7 by 0.3 inches and is made from lightweight, durable plastic. The beads range from 0.31 to 0.55 inches. These pens are easy to customize, simply rotate the pen body to open and add your beads. Replacing the ink refill is just as simple. They're great for everyday use at school or the office, and make delightful, personalized gifts for friends and family. Unleash your creativity. What we like. This kit comes with gel ink and is easy to refill. If you are looking for a smooth writing experience and easy maintenance, this is the one for you. It's ideal for students or anyone who values convenience and a comfortable writing experience. Number 3. Jutom Beadable Pens. It comes with 12 elegant pens, 6 in gold and 6 in black. They're perfect for adding a touch of personality to your workspace. This set includes everything you need, 12 pens, tassels, and pendants, plus plenty of colorful beads for endless customization options. Personalize these pens with the included beads, tassels, and pendants. Create unique designs that reflect your style. They're made of durable plastic and metal, ensuring they're lightweight yet strong enough for everyday use. These pens are built to last. These beautiful pens make a thoughtful and practical gift for friends, colleagues, or anyone who appreciates a touch of elegance. They're perfect for any occasion. Use them for note-taking, journaling, or even exams. They're also great for parties, holidays, or as a special office treat. What we like. It features a classic and elegant design. If you prefer a sophisticated and timeless look, this kit is perfect for you. It's suitable for professionals or anyone who appreciates a classic aesthetic. Number 2. Geyee 300 Pcs Beadable Pen Set. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this amazing set. It includes 20 colorful pens, 40 refills, and 240 sparkling beads, everything you need to personalize your writing tools. These pens are designed for customization. The central rod is the perfect size for adding beads, letting you create unique and stylish pens. With 12 vibrant colors of beads and rhinestones, the possibilities are endless. Make each pen reflect your personality and style. They're made with durable plastic and metal, ensuring smooth writing and long-lasting use. The ink flows smoothly and dries quickly. These personalized pens make thoughtful and unique gifts for any occasion. Surprise your friends and family with a handmade creation. Let your imagination run wild. These pens are perfect for adding a personal touch to your everyday writing and making unforgettable gifts. What we like. This kit offers a massive amount of beads and refills. If you need a large quantity of materials for extensive crafting, this is the best choice. It's great for large projects or for those who love variety and customization. What people say. I love that these came with the rhinestone spacers. I like how these pens come with refills and spacer beads. The quality is pretty good, but be careful not to over-tighten and strip the threads. I like the colors of the pens. Easy to do. They make great stocking stuffers and there were enough beads to do all 20 pens with a few spacers left over. Number 1. Woanger Valentine's Bead Pens. It's time to personalize your writing experience. These pens let you create unique, beautiful designs that reflect your style. With 24 beadable pens, the possibilities are endless. Express yourself with a different design on each one. They come with 144 colorful beads and assorted spacers, so you can create any combination you can imagine. Let your imagination run wild. Simply add beads to the pen barrel. It's a fun and easy way to customize your writing tools. This set makes a thoughtful and unique gift for Valentine's Day or any occasion. It's perfect for creative friends and family. These pens write smoothly with black ink, ensuring a pleasant writing experience. Enjoy the vibrant colors and the smooth writing. What we like. It comes in a romantic pink color and perfect for Valentine's Day. If you are looking for a unique and themed craft kit, this is the one. It's ideal for those who appreciate special occasions and personalized gifts. What people say. Adding the beads to the pens so easy to figure out. They have been a huge hit to sell. People thought they were the cutest. And they also write very nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.